Hi, this is Bob from Creative Arms. I'm here to kind of talk about one of our friends' products from QuietBore. They asked me to speak about solvent traps. Obviously, Creative Arms manufactures suppressors, so there's a little difference between a solvent trap and a suppressor. I go online and I look at solvent traps and see what people are building, and I think, oh shit, that might blow up in their face or do something like that. So just be really careful if you're trying to build your own Form 1 suppressor doing something, take into consideration some design parameters. So we're going to talk about their product. So they make a 5.56 30 caliber solvent trap, a 45, a 9, and a 22. So let's just talk about the different solvent traps and the reason why they are what they are. So the 22 solvent trap, it's designed, it's a 1-inch tube. It's 5.5 inches overall length. It got a 5-inch tube, 1/2 by 28 thread adapters. That's what's common on most of the firearms in America. There are some European guns that have different threads, so you need to be mindful. You might need some different adapter on it. Inside the solvent trap, it's got an entry cap that's made out of 4140 steel. That's the same material used to make a gun barrel. It's got 8 solvent filters in it. And then it's got an exit cap that uses an Allen wrench. So instead of using some special tool, it just pops apart really easy. I use the right size wrench. So the tube's made out of aluminum. Why aluminum? Aluminum's easy to work with. It's lightweight. Aluminum is actually lighter than titanium. For rimfire type applications, it's plenty strong. They do have titanium internals for this too, for those guys cleaning their 17s and 22 mags. It's a really straightforward design. The internal threads is 915 thousandths by 24 pitch. The overall weight's 3.1 ounce. This is their 9mm. The overall length's 7 1/4. The tube length's 6 3/4. It's a 1 1/4 OD 065 wall. The threads are 1.165 by 24 inches. And the thread adapter is available in 1/2 28, 1/2 32, 1/2 36, and metric 13.5 by 1 left hand. That's kind of all the common ones when you're cleaning your gun. Same thing, 4140 steel, same stuff gun barrels are made out of. The filters in this, the first one's stainless, then the rest are aluminum, just like the 22. There's 9 total. Here it comes. Same hex feature on the exit cap. Really easy to work with. We'll post some photos up too what this thing looks like. The other thing it fits is Creative Arms' booster housings work with these. So those guys doing Form 1s with their pistols, there's a complete booster housing set up. Springs already there. O-ring inside. It works with advanced armaments adapters. They have a whole line of all the thread adapters and pistons for these. So when you put this in, it'll use 2 less filters. It's kind of a slick way. It's clean. These are all hard coat anodized aluminum in their shot peen, so they have a nice matte finish to them, so they don't look cheesy or look like a toy. .45, same deal. Overall length's 8 1/4 inches. 60-61 tube. Shot peen hard coat anodized. The tube's 7 3/4 with a 1.375 OD 065 wall. Threads are 1.290 inches by 24 pitch. It's available in 1/2 28, 0.575 by 28, and 5/8 by 24. Same as the 9mm. The first filter is stainless, and then the rest are aluminum. Exit cap works the same way. It's got a hex feature on it. Creative Arms' booster housings also fit in these. So same as the 9mm. It goes in. The Creative Arms booster housings are made out of 4140 steel, and then they're case hardened and black nitride finish. So they're very corrosive resistant. And there's a bunch of different black nitride finishes. This is the Ultra Ox process used by Advanced Heat Treat. It's about as durable as hard chrome, so it's much better than a lot of finishes. And then this is their 5.56/30 kit. So the overall length's 9 inches. It's 4130 seamless, like aircraft tube. Same stuff they use in race car cages. It's an 0.85 wall thickness. The threads internal on the tube are 1.375 by 28. It comes with half 28 and 5/8 by 24 thread adapters come with it. It's got a cleaning chamber. Then it's got the stainless steel cones. It's got 7 total. And it uses the same hex feature as the other solvent traps. So let's kind of talk about Form 1s and what you guys are really probably going to try to do with this stuff. So all these are engineered around real products. They're not experimental. If you're doing the Form 1, make sure you do it. It's easy. It's online. It's $200. It takes a couple weeks to a month to get back. If you do a Form 1 on one of these things, feel free to call me. Since you have a legal suppressor, then I can help you with engraving or things like that. We're located in Des Moines, Iowa. I'll put my email up on the screen, and just call me or email me if you have any questions regarding the solvent traps. I look forward to any feedback too, or ideas on other products to make. Creative Arms is a small business. Our friends at QuietBore is even a smaller business, so anything we can help them do to grow and support their families. Both companies are veteran owned. That's it. Have a great day.